Good morning, children. Now, today we will continue with the poem How Beautiful is the Rain. Okay, we had done till the seventh paragraph, and now we will continue further. In the furrowed land, the toilsome and patient oxen stand, lifting the yoke encumbered head with their dilated nostrils spread. They silently inhale the clover scented gale and the vapors that arise from the well watered and smoking soil. For this rest in the furrow after toil, their large and lustrous eyes seem to thank the Lord more than man's unspoken words. Okay, so what is happening? The farmers have made long and narrow furrows after plowing the land to collect the rainwater in the farms. ओके वो प्लॉ से वो लोग छोटे छोटे कैनल्स बना लेते हैं. आफ्टर मेकिंग दे वेट फॉर रेन. In the farm, oxen are waiting patiently for the rain. The oxen welcomes the rain as well with silent admiration and thanks. Okay, when rain falls, the heat rises from the earth and the earth smells all around. Okay, जब बारिश होती है तो हम लोग को वो मिट्टी की स्मेल आती है. ओके, जो पूरे एटमॉस्फेयर में फैल जाती है एंड कूल्स डाउन द हॉट सॉइल. नाउ व्हेन दिस स्मेल अराइजेस द ऑक्सन, ओके, जो वहाँ पे खड़ा है फार्म में, उसका हेड एक वजनदार जो लकड़ा उसके वुड जो होता है उसके नेक पे टाई किया रहता है. ओके, उससे झुक जाता है. ओके, down, head is down, okay, with the weight of the wood attached to its neck, suddenly lifts its neck, okay, uska head, and enlarges its nostrils. Okay, मतलब नाक को वो फुलाता है. क्यों फुलाता है? टू स्मेल दिस अर्थ. ओके, जो बारिश और अर्थ सॉइल का मिला के मतलब जो खुशबू बनती है, ओके, वो स्मेल करने के लिए वो अपनी नोजरल्स को एकदम एनलार्ज कर लेता है. दे साइलेंटली इनहेल द स्मेल. द पोएट further says that once rain have started, everyone seems to look towards the sky and all silently thank God for showering his blessings on them. Only eyes are speaking and thanking to God. Okay, more than any words can be spoken. Okay, मतलब वर्ड्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है, खाली अपनी आईज ही ये बता देती है. ओके, कि सब लोग कितने खुश हो रहे हैं, सब लोग कितने हैप्पी है. ओके, बारिश के आ जाने से तो कुछ बोलने की या सुनने की कुछ ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Okay, further we will move. Near at hand, from under the sheltering trees, the farmer sees his pastures and his fields of grain as they bend their tops to the numberless beating drops of the incessant rain. Okay, what is the poet telling now? That the peasants doesn't see in this stanza the poet describes the joy of the peasants. Peasant का मतलब क्या हुआ? Farmer. Okay, as they see the rain is falling from the sky and giving life to their crops and fields, they are satisfied to smell the aroma of the rain as it pours from the sky. So what is the farmer doing? Farmer is under a tree, okay, taking shelter under the tree and just watching and feeling the happiness that the rain have fallen. Okay, farmers look very happy and they watch only the rain falling down and they feel very proud, okay, at the sight when the rain is falling and when he sees that his land has the land is receiving, the farm is receiving the water. Okay, the crops are receiving the water when they are bending. Okay, with the numberless drops. Okay, when the drops have fallen on the leaves, the crops are bending. So seeing this sight, seeing this scenario, the farmer feels very happy. He counts it as no sin that he sees therein only his own thrift and gain. The poet says over here that the peasants doesn't see any kind of harm or sin. Sin matlab paap lagna, in being thinking that rain has come for his benefit only. Okay, मतलब फार्मर ये क्या सोचता है कि रेन खाली उसके लिए ही आया है. ओके, उसके फार्म को पानी देने के लिए ही आया है. फार्मर थिंक्स दैट ही विल प्रॉस्पर एंड बी बेनिफिटेड विद द रेन. ओके, मतलब ये उसी का गेन है खाली और किसी का भी नहीं है. तो ये सोचना उसे पाप नहीं लगता. ही काउंट्स इट एज नो सिन. So children, here the poet is trying to describe the power of his imagination. The poet says that though people around him just enjoy the rain and thank the heaven for cooling the atmosphere. Okay, हम लोग के लिए क्या है कि हाँ भाई बारिश आया तो we feel very happy. हाँ भाई कल बारिश आया था. ओके, मैं तो टेरेस पे गई थी. ओके, और मैं पूरी भीगी भी थी रेन में. बहुत मज़ा आया. मैं स्कूटर लेके भी बाहर निकली थी. ओके, वी ऑल टॉक दिस. सो फॉर अस रेन इज़ व्हाट? जस्ट द एन्जॉयमेंट. ओके, अब उसके बाहर निकल कर अगर हम लोग सोचेंगे तो दैट इज़ द इमेजिनेशन. ओके, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट द पोएट इज़ डूइंग इट इन दिस पोएम. Okay, the poet doesn't stop here and his imagination keeps flowing. His imagination reaches the every corner of the world. It is reaching to each and every person, even the animal. Ki what is the feeling of the animal? So his imagination is reaching to everyone, and his imagination he has covered in this whole poem, which is very beautiful.